Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Smatree 10,000 mAh power bank with rapid dual battery charger for GoPro Hero 2018, Hero 7, Hero 6, Hero 5, and of course the Black editions. Nice. Ow, I will use this power bank so often, I think, because I have an GoPro Hero 6 Black, and I make so much videos for you, of course, with this awesome little device. And there's a little problem with the batteries. Every time you have to take your camera and then dip it to the power supply, and you have to wait. And now it will change a lot. I'm going to use this portable battery charger with power bank in one device to get the energy with me if I'm on travel. That is nice. Okay, this comes with two durable dual charging channels, enable me to charge two Hero 5 or Hero 6 or Hero 7 and Black Edition Hero 2018 batteries at the same time. Wow, that means I can charge, or you can charge if you like it, two batteries and the phone anywhere and at any time, because this power bank has a USB port to get power into your, for example, Apple iPad, for example, other devices like smartphones, Huawei, and so much other devices, because there is an USB port and two ports or two banks for your batteries of your GoPro. It provides great convenience when you're traveling or doing outdoor sports. 10,000 mAh capacity power station equals to 7 pieces of GoPro Hero batteries. That saves time and money greatly. 7 times a full load of the battery. This is awesome. Only needs 2 hours to full charge 2 batteries at the same time. Wow, this is nice. And you can see if the load process is on live. You can see there is a red LED on the top side of the device, and if it finished the load process, it will change to a green LED. That means your battery is full and ready to use. Wow, with 5 voltage, 2.4 ampere output for iPhone, iPad, Samsung Galaxy, and more other USB devices. That means you can charge batteries and cell phone at the same time. Oh, wow. But you need an AC adapter to get energy into the power bank, but this is no problem. Every one of us has so many AC adapters because our smartphones and tablet, etc. There is an USB output slot with 5 voltage, 2.4 ampere for your smartphone, for example. And there is a micro USB port to get energy into the power bank. But for this, the cable is included, but you need the AC adapter for it. But it is no problem. It charged 2 batteries in 2 hours. Wow. And you have the capacity in your hand, mobile power bank of 7 time charges for each battery. Not each, one battery, 7 times reloading, the power bank will be empty. There is a battery charging LED indicator in red and green. It has a battery cover on top, a battery slot for 2 Hero batteries. There is an LED indicator with 4 LEDs. That means how full is your power bank. You can read there. There is an on-off button. Only push the button and it will start working. And push it twice, it will finish the job. There is a USB output and a micro USB input. And this is all what you need, and it's mobile. I like it really much, and it's durable. Godlike device. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.